Hello everyone, welcome to ARC 160, and I just wanted to give you a brief overview on the things that we're going to cover this semester. And we will be covering two softwares predominantly, Photoshop and Illustrator. I will give you a quick preview of Revit and possibly AutoCAD and how those particular architecture specific software can be integrated into Photoshop and Illustrator. So let me first start off by giving you a few samples of work that you guys will be creating. First, what you see on your screen is a logo. It's a logo actually for my firm, MA Architects, and you guys will be recreating this using Illustrator. This is a sample that I downloaded from an online Google search. Unfortunately, I do not have the artist, so I can't give proper credit, but this is done on Photoshop with a couple of different techniques. So we're going to try to mimic this particular layout and have you guys do a similar project. This is also done in Photoshop. It's actually very easily done. So here's another sample of that. This is kind of a graphics. Again, the artist, I guess his name is Sebastian. But anyway, I was quite inspired by this Bauhausian style of graphics, so we'll be using this as an inspiration to create a similar graphics using Photoshop. Let me see, is that it? Oop, let me go back. This is another graphics. I think in this one we'll be using Illustrator to create a very similar graphics, and this is actually the back of my card. So again, you guys will be doing your own custom business cards using Illustrator. Here's another example of Photoshop, kind of using a watercolor brush technique and with some hand-drawn trees and possibly a SketchUp or a Revit or an AutoCAD drawing here. Another Photoshop, again, using the watercolor brush technique. We will probably be doing a site plan and kind of colorizing the site plan, and I'll be giving you a demo on creating trees similar to this. We're going to all do it from scratch. More kind of Illustrator / Photoshop. This is actually a number for a basketball team that I've created, custom numbering system. So I'm going to show you the process of how I created that using a combination of Illustrator and Photoshop. Again, kind of your basic kind of architectural rendering using Photoshop to create kind of a wireframe transitioning into a realistic model. So anyhow, hopefully that gives you kind of a preview. So although this is a Photoshop and Illustrator class, it really has a strong architectural / graphics slant. So hopefully you'll enjoy this semester. We'll see you guys in the following tutorial demos.